Alright, y'all. I'm about to show y'all my truck real quick. It's just light work. Light work, you know what I'm saying? Show y'all just light work real quick. Y'all see this shit? There you go. Yo. So, this period. Hold on, y'all. Step away from my truck. Y'all step away from my truck.
That shit in the car now.
Step away. Hey, step away from my truck. Step away from my truck.
Put Shaw on the back.
Yeah. Okay. Y'all, this ain't my truck, but you know, this is the owner right here. Tell he got something to say?
Tell him about the truck, man. Tell him, hey, boy, this is bad to him, you'll see. Hey, that's it. Telling you now, it's bad to him, you'll see. They ain't ready. They ain't ready.
I don't think they're ready, Till.
They ain't ready.
They're not ready.
Sure. Oh.
Sister-in-law. Baby Zaddy.
I like how you got the light.
Cuz
Damn.
you already know we doing big things. Big things in here counting.
You know what you You got that bitch involved. Hit the gas a little bit. That's fuck with you. The beat. Know what I'm saying? They ain't hooked up. Oh, they ain't hooked up. Yeah, okay. Yeah, they ain't hooked up. That's what I want to hear. I want to hear the beat. Shit. All black or shit. I can turn, I can speed it up, slow it down. Why about that all black, man? Why you think? I no tires and no grill and none of that shit, though. No, but he told me about the still had no big tires on it. That day out there, I would have had that bird.
Ooh.
Come on, I go back out.